Look. Look at my creation.
Oh, I need some light.
Let there be light.
I don't know what it's doing now.
Oh, the printer is under self-detecting and may take several minutes. Oh my god, it's at 160 degrees Celsius? Oh my god. What is it doing? What is it? It's snaring something. What is going on? Oh, it's going down now. It's going down. 182, 181, 179. Oh, good. Oh, man.
Just sparkly. Oh, it's moving. Oh my god. What's happening? Oh my goodness. What is going on? Oh, it's touching the plate to determine the calibration. Okay, well, that makes sense. Looks like it's 5 by 5, maybe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 5 by 5 point calibration.
Oh my gosh. Under self-detecting. For 6 minutes?
Oh, good lord.
So, okay. Now, again, I just got this. So this is like the feeder thing.
What is that?
Oh, it's shaking? Oh, it's the vibration test. I'm gonna be upset if that red thing there melted off, was supposed to be taken off, because I followed these stupid instructions line by line. That better be how it was designed to do it, for reals. The sucker is shaking so fast. Can you hear it?
Oh, explosion.
For real though, that better supposed to be how it was supposed to happen.
Look, I'll show you the instructions. Open box, take out all the crap, and then this is just like, oh, take out that crap and that crap. And then that's like all the instructions, like what everything is on the screen. And then you put on the spool holder. You insert the filament tube, which is this white tube here. And you insert the other end of the filament tube, which is right there. And then you connect the screen, which is this here. And then you unlock the build plate. They had the little tiny screws holding the build plate in. I unlocked that. And then it said, look, then it said plug in and turn on and let it go to work.
So that better be how it was designed to be, or I will be upset.
Oh my gosh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Completed.
That is really going to bug me.
Load filament following the on-screen startup boot. Cut the bent part of the filament end.
Okay. Okay. Please load the filament according to the instructions below. Cut off the bent part of the filament.
I guess that's kind of bent.
Okay.
Pass it through the filament sensor until it is seen from the other end of the filament guide tube. Insert the filament to the feeding roller.
I feel like a cat, like it's a catheter.
Oh yeah. All right. Oh my gosh, this is getting tangled. All right, hold on. I gotta rearrange this so it's not horrible. I don't know why they don't put it on a spool. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay, so that's. Okay, you know what, we're gonna give this a shot here and see what happens. Oh, there we go. Look, there it is. Alright. I'm slowly feeding the catheter tube through the heart. Here we go. Okay. It is now in. Oh yes. Okay. It's in there pretty good.
Is this still hot? Okay. I got it. It's gonna drive me nuts.
I mean, I think it is.
Preheating.
I mean, I think. I don't know. Okay.
Heating completed. Loading. What the hell? What the? Oh, okay. That's supposed to happen. Good. Okay, okay. They had a lot of it in there. It's probably like some kind of protective sealant. Good. Okay. So this is my first piece of art. I call it Swirly Swirl. Yes, look at it. It's pretty amazing. My artistic genius. Yes. And that I believe that should be enough swirls. Yes, let's cut that. Oh, loading completed. Please clean the filament on the nozzle and platform. Oh, okay. I mean, it's not hot. Look at my first piece of art. Yes. Yes, I shall call it Spring. Yes, okay. That is going on my masterpiece wall. Yes. Do I have to touch it with my bare hands? Like, I'm fairly certain that it's like, yeah, that feels hot. I'm not touching it. It says to clean the nozzle. No, I'm gonna chance it. Print. What? It's Cube PLA test. Oh my gosh. Wait, how big is this cube gonna be? just curious. You know, you gave me a little bit of filament with the purchase, which I appreciate, but it's kind of worthless if you just use that entire roll of filament to, you know, do on this cube. Yes, this is definitely my favorite right here. Okay, what's going on here? Oh, it's preheating. So I guess this is what we're making? I don't know. I didn't pick it. Oh, look, okay. Okay. So the tray gets up to 50 degrees Celsius, and that's a nozzle, I'm assuming, and it gets up to 220 degrees Celsius. Oh my gosh, it's like 8, 9 o'clock at night. I hope this doesn't run for like hours on end. Ah! It's starting. Oh, remaining 6 minutes. Great. Okay, so that's not too long. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What is it doing? Oh my gosh! Golly, that little sucker's moving. Look at that! Oh my god, this is so cool! Five minutes left. It's like making some type of design on the inside too. I don't know what it is. It's like a... It's like a diamond design on the inside. Oh my gosh, this may be the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh no. This may be my new thing. 4 minutes left. Like, I understood the basic concept of how 3D printers work, but I really didn't get it until I saw it just now. And now that I see it, I'm like, yeah, that's like super obvious, you would think. 35% complete. See, look, it gives you a little look, 36% complete, 4 minutes left. It's got a nice little cool menu on it. Alright, let's see if I can get a little closer here. It is, it's a diamond design. That's so cool. You can literally see each line it puts down, and then it comes back and it puts a fine tone on it and blends it in with the previous lines. So look, there's the line, and it comes back and it's gone. It's disappeared. It's blended in perfectly. There's a line, and it blended. Boom. Wow, that is fantastic. 51% complete. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I'm gonna make all kinds of crazy designs. And it's been 4 minutes because it had a 6-minute start time job. So 4 minutes. And it's built like, I want to say, it's like what? A quarter, maybe 3/8 of an inch? I mean, you know, for building something from nothing with just, you know, melted plastic, that's pretty quick. I think this specific one, because it's the Adventurer 5M from FlashForge, I believe this one has a 600 mm per second. So 600 millimeter per second, I guess? I don't know. I honestly am not sure. I kind of bought this on a whim, and I've been wanting to get one for a while just to play around with, but this past weekend I was like, yeah, why not? Let's waste some more of my money. Fantastic. And then I threw down the $350 needed to buy it. But I did get a deal on it. I saved like $50, if that makes any difference whatsoever. Alright, 75% complete. I cannot wait to see my cube. See, when I saw the picture, I thought it was going to make a solid cube, right? And I was thinking, that's going to take so much filament. I don't know how it's going to do that. But then I see how it does it. It still makes the cube, and it's still structurally sound by creating the honeycomb design on the inside. Pretty intelligent. Whoa, whoa. Oh, look at that. It's making the top. It's making the top. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, now it's going diagonally. Ooh, boy. Oh man, oh my gosh. Oh, now it's going diagonally the other way. Oh, it's going a little more smoother now. A little slower and more deliberate. Yes. Oh, it's very artistic. I can see this now. Yes, look at that. All right, what's next? Oh, that's 100%. Printed time completed. 6 minutes. So while we wait on it to dry some more, if you look here, like, it's probably cool enough now. I think the green means it's okay for it to touch. Anyways, if you look over here, clicked on that menu there, and it has like little pre-built ones. That's the boat that wouldn't float. Stinking stinker. Let's see here. What we have here? We have a keychain. We have ice cream, a desk organizer, a mobile phone holder, a touch pen, a bow, and then concave dodeca. But right here, I believe this is like you can plug in a USB. Right there. Plug in a USB port that has plant designs that you've made, and you can bring them up here and then do that. Okay, settings. What settings do we have? Position. Oh, you can actually, okay. Ooh, Wi-Fi. I'll be right back. Okay, it's now up on my Wi-Fi. What's this one? Whoa. Fix some update records. Fix some errors that occur during printout. Add bed preheating before leveling. Add notifications when the temperature is abnormal. Fix the filament
extrusion issue for files sliced using flash print. I have no idea what that is. Fix the issue that the extruder fan cannot be turned off. Fix the issue that there is no print completion prompt pop up after your job is complete. Okay. Oh, it's a new firmware. Probably because I just installed the Wi-Fi. Yeah, and if you see now, they're both green, so now they're both probably safe to touch. Okay. Please restart printer. Okie dokie. I will here in a second. I wanted to look through the other stuff. How do I restart the printer? I assume maybe I just turn it off and back on. Okay. Ah. Okay. I hope this is how you're supposed to do it. Wait a little bit, wait a little bit, wait a little bit. Boom! Finally. It is complete! My block. Okay, just for reference size, that's my thumb, right? Like, it's barely taller than my thumbnail. And it's... That is so cool. Well, with my Slinky and my new square, I hereby christen the Flash Forge Adventure 5M. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.